in all of my clothes. Cause y'all in my face, I can fuck niggas, fuck nose. Fucking these hoes all day. Got all the shit, no play.
Big trap house, not the little one,
baby.
Yes,
Sir.
Getting that big content, man. The car really gonna be ready. Y'all.
Cause y'all in my face. Got cocaine up her nose. Been fucking these hoes all day. Got all this drip.
Shout out to my boy too. He kicked it with us last night, man. So I had to put the merch on today. Trap House, booming, TV. Definitely a cool dude, man. Make sure y'all check his channel out and everything he got going on.
It's your boy Trap House Booming TV, and we back, baby, with another one. Yes, your boy been missing in action. Yes, I've been on the grind, staying out the way. If you don't know, now you know. You know, I'm on 18 months probation, so I just been laying low, stacking bread, getting these cars in order, getting the house in order. We need a new house this year, new car, and right now I'm working on an old trusty Altima, baby, my Thought-mobile. You feel me? We're gonna do the full knuckle assembly, as you can see. You probably can't see. But this wheel bearing had hella play in it. And we also gonna change out the CV axle, which may be bad too. I'm still waiting on the CV axle to come in the mail. I ordered these the same day. We got a new knuckle assembly. Bam, bam, bam. All 5 studs. As you can see, I broke a stud off on this one. Fucking around, whole tire was finna fall off on me one day. Only had 2 lug nuts on there. Broke the stud off, so we getting all this off. Took the caliper off with the caliper bolts. I think that was a 19 millimeter. Next, we finna get this CV axle bolt off. Just straightened out the cotter pin. Yeah, man, I'm finna get it cracking. Pull this out. Get that unloose. Gotta get all these unloose. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Let's go. Well, you guys, quick follow up. So we got both the cotter pins out. Cotter pin 1. Other cotter pin, which you can't see, which is up under here. As you can see, this is how bad my hub bearing was bending. That the damn rotor was grinding up against the lower control arm. Scraping it. Took both the cotter pins out to fuck around and broke my ratchet. Fucking with the 17. So, gotta go get a new ratchet and get a deep socket 17. And we'll be back. All right, Trap family, it's just like that. We back with the whole new set. So I got rid of the 3/8 because, as you can see, I bust the guts out of that mug. See out of there. I'm gonna get one with the 1/2" drive, so it's gonna be a little thicker. I need this for the ball joint area. Yeah, let's get it back cracking, baby. All right, you guys, quick follow up. So we got the 32 millimeter bolt loose. I'm just gonna leave it on there for the moment. We also got these 2 loose. You're gonna need a deep socket, 19 for this side, 17 millimeter for that side to get them off. This was a 12 millimeter with the ABS sensor. Now check out my ABS sensor. Look at, that's a magnet. Look at all that shredded metal that was just flying on there. I'm surprised my ABS lights weren't going on. Look at all that. Sheesh. We're gonna get that cleaned up. Get that removed. Got the brake line clip removed. Just a little clip right here. Yeah, and then next, we got that up out of there. Next, we're gonna get this bottom ball joint out. I'm gonna take that nut off. Yeah, she's coming off. Let's go. Look at this shit here, y'all. So as soon as I push the axle in, so I can free up, the whole bearing came off. And all the bearing balls just came falling out. Look how bad it was. Teeth in there chewed up. I mean, this was dangerous. I was out here riding real bogus. Look at that. Jeez. Shit. Hold on, y'all. One moment. I ain't got my tripod, man. Hold on. Got the one and only, man. Fly Roy, the trendsetter, just pulled up on me, man. As y'all know, I got everything off this motherfucker. But I can't break the ball joint up out of there, so I ain't got no hammer neither. Hammer in my truck in the shop, so I had to call on aid and assistance, man. I know you gonna come get me right, man. Look at this. Fly Roy, the trendsetter. In the words of Stunner Reese, Lee.
Nigga be like, yeah.
Fly Roy to the rescue, man. Like I said, I ain't had no hammer. My damn hammer in the truck. Wasn't trying to back
Had that one hit and quit it. You know what I'm saying?
One hit and quitted that bitch. Good look, my nigga. You got a hot brewski for you too if you want. Your big snowflake. She is down again. Yes, sir. We back at it. It's your boy Trap House Booming TV, and as you see, I had a hell of a day today. See, I just got the truck towed from the transmission place. It's their third time having it in 3 months. They don't know what the fuck they doing. We finna file a lawsuit. Got it back to the crib though, but now we working on the Altima. Finally got this stubborn ass piece out. Pulled that out. Had to use the old slide hammer. Then I was so caught up in the moment I forgot to record, but. We got the new CV axle all the way up in there. Getting it bolted up. And yeah, we finna get everything put back together. Let's go. All right, Trap family, and just like that, we are back down in the Nissan. Got the wheel put on. You see Big Snowflake right there in the cut. Oh. Yes, sir. She on there. She looking dirty than a motherfucker. Needs some new tires. She good, baby. Ooh, I need a car wash. Oh, yeah. Wash stick up out of here so I can go